This is Apexa from Art Studio. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am here to share some ideas how to create break effects for your project. So I have 4 different techniques right now. I'll be coming up with more techniques how to create these kind of effects on your projects. I'll be sharing 4 different techniques today, and hope you will be able to do it on your project. It will be helpful for your projects. The first technique is, I'll not discuss much. I'll start directly without wasting any time. The first technique, you can create break effect with the popsicles. These kind of popsicles are available in the market, easily available. I have already created I have already stuck few on the chipboard. Just to save the time, I'll show you how to do it. It's very easy. You just have to cut your popsicles like this. See, colors will not matter because even like after all we are going to paint it with the gesso and the different textures. So this you can cut it and simply stick it in the form of brick. And you can stick it with any normal glue. I'll be taking this glue because this is my favorite. You just have to stick it like this. So one idea is with popsicles. You can always cut. And this you can paint it with the gesso, and you can color it with your own choice, like brown and any natural effect you can give. So this is the one idea with the popsicles. The second idea is with the thermocol, or you can take styrofoam. You can cut thin strips out of it, very thin strips like this. You can take any size of like whatever is available with you. You can cut it in your own requirement. Whatever size you require, you can cut it in that way. Now see, here I have already stitched, but these pieces are very uniform and with the sharp edges, and see these are very ununiform and unequal with the round edges and all. So I'll show you how to give this effect. First of all, you have to stick all your thermocol pieces in the form of brick. Now for this you need a heat gun, or you can also have a hair dryer. Once you stick it, the next thing what you have to do, this I'll not do right now, I'll not complete it. Okay, now you need heat gun, or you can also use your hair dryer also. Now this you have to do very carefully. You have to start your heat gun with the lower power, not with the high power, and you have to move your heat gun continuously, because by hitting thermocol, that will shrink, the thermocol will shrink, see, but you have to do this very carefully, and you will get lovely effect with the bricks, of the bricks. You have to do it very carefully. You will get rounded corners, and very natural look with this. Once you color it, nobody is going to know what you have used inside. So this is the second technique. Now the third technique is to use chipboard. Chipboard is available with you, wastage and all waste pieces you can arrange in the form of chipboard. I'll show you how to this is easy, you can stick it on your own, but I'll show you how to give texture on this. Right, these are very flat, so I'll show you how to give texture on this. You can always cut. Now to make these bricks rough, you need to take your texture paste. What you have to do, you just have to apply it with the finger, or you can apply it with the brush also. First coat you can always give with the gesso, and the second part this you can do, because I'm not doing with the gesso right now, as my purpose is to show you how to, now see, you just have to dab it with your finger. I'll just show you a closer look. Even you can do it with the sponge, but for sponge you need to take thicker amount. See, you'll get a different texture. I myself find to do it with the fingers easily. One more technique I'll be sharing with you. Let it dry and you can color. Now the last technique right now for this video, because after that I'll make one more video for different textures. And if you really like my videos, do share it, do subscribe, and don't forget to click on the notification so that you will get all the latest information of my videos. Now I'll be coming with the last. That is a bit like, it's a bit difficult, not exactly it's difficult, but you need to have some patience for this. The last option, not last, the one more option is to work to give effect with the M seal. This is the M seal which is available in any hardware store. You can also use Shilpakar. It is an Indian, it's a brand from, it's a product from Hobby Ideas. So you can use Shilpakar or you can use M seal also. You have to take equal amount of both the parts. I'll be taking some talcum powder so that it will not stick on my hand. To take equal amount and mix it well. It is available in black and also available in white, so it's up to you. Right now I don't have white one, so I'll be showing you with the black. And the clay is ready. Once it dries, it will be hardened. I'll show you how to give effect with this. I'm taking a chipboard or any surface. You can also do it on MDF. You need to apply any good glue so that it will not come out afterwards. To spread this on this. And you can spread it with a very thin layer. Very thin layer. I'm taking talcum powder so that it will not stick on my hands. And even you can easily spread it on this. You can take a rolling pin. Right now I'm using this. You can spread it equally. You can apply talcum powder on this also. Get 20-25 minutes this. After that, this clay start drying. Once you are done with the surface, remove extra. Now you can take pencil and just press it a bit. Lines on this. Don't forget to apply talcum powder every time so that you can work easily. This effect I have given with pencil. Hope the information which I have shared with you will be useful to you. Do like, share my videos and subscribe my videos if you really like. So today I have shown you 4 different techniques how to create brick effect with the chipboard, with the popsicles, with the thermocol and with the end seal. This will look like this once you color it. Do let me know what other techniques you would like to learn. I would love to make these kind of videos and I'll definitely share my ideas. So do let me know in the comment section what kind of video you would like to have. Thank you.